Now we could res Chop. We do have another res. He is our cleaner. And they're the medic. He lost his right hand. Do I really care about him? Ooh. Let's move that. Wait, I don't think the fire went off. We might actually be okay. We're not as strong as I thought we were. It was definitely worrisome. Pardon me. How's it going, DK? Gumpy is using sulfur. Okay. We could do a let's get it. Let's lob a couple. We're not in the greatest defensive. Slowly coming. And then we can do everybody with close combat now. So we'll get everybody to run down here. So self-resurrect, that's fine. And then gear, we'll drop that since it's useless for you. Jump behind you. Eight. And he just died? Oh, that's right. We caught him with like a split second left. Oh no, he's dead. And he's dead. Back up here. Ooh. Go, 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 go. And then... oh, no, never mind. He's front. Ooh. Oh, shit, they're already here? I think these guys are all loyal. Death refusal. Yeah, he's just gonna die. And you're just gonna die. Yeah. No tough trait. Nope. Alright, you can rescue him. And cows. Come over here. We need to have your shield. Okay, I think we're gonna make a separate one for close combat people. Okay, everyone else has guns here. No, there's some close combat. Would be a good way to wipe. Wall-raise. Just temporarily cut their. So, yeah, we'll cut their. And then where is Ivan? It's neat. I'd like to go back sometime. Yeah, dang, this big hall. Yeah, we're getting up there. Sniper as well. Set up here. we've got 3 hours on the wall. Let's actually move. I think we can kill it. Did I turn him on and off? Did I? Fire's dangerous. Div, you can put the fire out here. Really good. And then you're getting close, but we can always res you. Maybe you self-dis. Does he have revival? He does. He's almost dead. These guys are going around. Cows is going after him. You can try to get down here. AG up front. Backside. Artie, you can self-tend. Tend to Artie. Cows, keep going after you. He's dead. Let's put you on him. So he stops shooting. Artie, you should probably eat some food. Thank you. And then once everyone got their food, this game fucking snipes. Oh. Ooh, fast walker. I think everyone else is dead, right? Wait. Man, get our 2 snipers. And just consume you. Don't consume the pig. Oh, she doesn't have enough energy. Whoa, I'm leaning a little bit off them. Ori, you can come over here as well. Oh, okay, they're gonna go for the security door. What's wrong with this one? Escape. You guys are pretty damaged, so I might. Who's this guy? 2 hours. Night Owl, body modder, construction, and mining. Here. Fuck. Should I resin? Put you guys here. Bore. Oh, we sniped the guy. Oh, shit him. Okay, you guys should be good now. So you can leave, except for you. Alright, anyone here that's good. Show might be a rude awakening when he comes out of there. We're back alright. And then you, sir. Those guys are going over that way. Okay, so let's send our Kylian, Shoat down here. Caught can come and grab. Okay, let's go here, get everybody out. Through the heart. I need longer range weapons. Okay, let's get you. If I want to do that, Prissy is getting. We back up. Yeah, it's position. Let's do you stop here. Lori, Div. Put you here. And you guys all came up. And we'll get all our snipers are on the other side. However, you, sir, we're going to turn off fire at will, because we don't... Wait, where's your... We will use, herbal on him. Probably should use herbal on everybody. Oops. And then that's going to be a huge ass fucking fire now. We'll consider it. We're running out of fingers for div. You get ready to beat the shit out of this guy. How come we can't hit these guys? Oh, royal. And then you. he's gonna self-resurrect. Equip the gun so he can't take it. Ivan is fleeing. Oh, there is a fire. Whoa. Someone just got shot almost. Using self. Okay, no, you guys start firing at these guys. You start firing at this guy. You need to put on your goddamn shield belt. Where did I go? You hit the masterwork one. Then to Oliver. And then to you. That's mainly, we could use, yeah, we'll do that because it'll level up his shit. But we nice shot, Div. Alright, these guys are very injured. Whoa, 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 whoa. You have enough to finish that. Get your ass back here. What? Are we full of bodies again? Oh, whoops. I was hoping fire would be useful, but I think it's actually hurts us more, especially with the 2 vamps. So probably won't use the incendiary again. It does such a good job at cleaning. Damn, hand cannon's got some range. Just got back from Vegas. Oh, poor. It didn't do so well. Bring you up front. Cows. Chop died. Did he get shot in the head? Probably. Ooh. is front put div. Actually, let's move cows right next to this guy. And you can just go to town on him. Already just got smoked. Somebody got stunned. Lori, let's get her out of here. Ooh, yeah. Okay. We'd be good. And there should be no more... Oh, he's got one more death refusal. How about this guy? And we're gonna put... Fresh... Oh, no, sorry. Rotten. I want to hit Ivan. You stay. You fire against Noodles. And then you can't really do much here. You fire. You got one hand. Definitely do work. And oh yeah, we gotta set that to chop. There we go. Your ass over here. We'll come back over here and grab that. I don't know if snipers are that great. They're good for very specific things, but I'm gonna start. Let's get the guys with shields up front. Ooh, I don't know if... Who's still shooting? Oh, what? Where did this guy come from? You go. You go. Everyone who's injured. Oh wait, I think you're still coagulating him, aren't you? Yeah. There's so much blood. Might as well use it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, who's got the... I thought... Yeah, you guys stop firing your fire. Do not go outside. Do not go outside. Ooh, that was close. Wait, why is he still firing it? Oh, how could you? Ooh, that's not what you want to do. Oh, he went down. Oh, he's back up. The old switcheroo. Get at it. Oh, he's back down. the guys here. And we need to definitely make these into... Ooh, that's a... You just fired at a... Uh-oh. Vampire. Get you out of here. Put you in behind. Oh, can I not see? Lorry. Teleport cows. Oops. There you go, and you. Of course. That's pretty crazy. How's it going, final? Fucking blasted him in the skull. We really don't care about this fire. Please don't just send everybody over here. Incapacitated, nice. We get to keep them. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. And we'll hold that open. And go for you, go for you. Is that all we brought? Is that all we have? Yeah. I think that'll be fine. Shambler's easy. And then you. Lori's got the wall, right? We block. Forgot self-defense. Alright, and you come here. You come here. Make sure these. And then Lori. And then already. Oliver. Did he die again? Did we just one tap him? Yeah, he just died again. So this guy's gonna go around the. No, he died. And then you guys killed him too. Yeah, let's do it. Jump packs. Who was researching? Where's Ivan? Let's coagulate his body. happy music kicks in, like, is it for happy? Back up, back up, back up, back up. Ooh, Kylie and... You guys can get this. Let's put you over here. Oh, is this all the close combat? Oh, this is awesome. Start putting up the fire. You guys can't really do much else. Dead. And you can... Do we have a Insanity Lance? We do. Who's down? No, let's not haul him here. Haul him over there. And we can bury him. Oh. Wait, 3 more? Oh, the fire burned out this one, so they will come back. That's good to know. That's actually a better spot, too. Uh-oh. Chimera, Shambler John. Not Shambler John! Alright, Lou. Hijinks, what's Hijinks doing? You guys heal up. We need more ghouls. Jump over the fire because you'll get scared. Just keep running, and then where's Ivan? Alright, he's coming. Alright, Kylian. You've already healed up. Artie is 10 to Kylian. You guys need to do the long shots. Oh shit. 1 hour? They're really close.